Imagine, for a moment, the quiet calm of nighttime. The world slows, the lights dim, and as you settle into bed, there's something remarkable happening inside your body. A gentle restoration, a healing process that whispers through your veins. Now, imagine enhancing this natural repair by sipping a simple golden drink before you drift off to sleep. Picture your arteries, often unseen and unsung, gradually clearing, your blood flowing with newfound freedom, and your heart awakening lighter and stronger come morning. It may sound too good to be true, but stay with me, because what you're about to discover is both simple and powerful. A bedtime drink trusted by seniors worldwide, rooted in science and crafted by nature. Heart disease is, undeniably, the silent shadow that looms largest after age 60. The truth is, clogged arteries don't form overnight. They're the result of years. Decades of gradual buildup, a silent process that rarely announces itself until it's advanced. Chest pain, shortness of breath, dizzy spells. These are warning signs that often come late, when damage has already taken hold. But here's the beacon of hope. Nature offers us tools, gentle yet effective, for supporting our arteries and circulation, even while we sleep. So, what's inside this artery-clearing bedtime drink? Just 3 humble ingredients, found in kitchens around the world, and each one is a powerhouse for your cardiovascular health. The first is warm lemon water, a simple blend that's more than just refreshing. Lemon flushes toxins from your system thanks to its natural diuretic properties. Its vitamin C reduces inflammation and helps maintain the flexibility of your blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow where it's needed most. The next ingredient is turmeric, the golden spice revered for centuries in traditional medicine. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound celebrated for its ability to prevent cholesterol buildup. Cholesterol, when it accumulates along the walls of your arteries, creates the dangerous plaques that restrict blood flow. Curcumin not only helps reduce this buildup, but also protects the delicate lining of your arteries from damage. Then comes ginger, a root that's been used for thousands of years to stimulate circulation. Ginger naturally lowers blood pressure and helps blood vessels relax, allowing for smoother blood flow. It's also a natural anti-inflammatory, reducing the stress and strain on your heart as you rest. Optionally, a teaspoon of honey can be added, not only to soothe your digestion and make the drink more pleasant, but also to offer its own antioxidant benefits. But why do these ingredients matter? The answer lies in the science behind them. Numerous studies have shown that turmeric and ginger act as natural cleaners within your arteries. They work together to reduce the formation of plaque, the sticky substance composed of cholesterol, fat, and calcium that narrows arteries and impedes blood flow. Lemon's vitamin C, meanwhile, strengthens blood vessel walls, making them more resilient and less prone to damage. Taking this drink warm before bed isn't just comforting, it's strategic. Your body enters repair mode during sleep, prioritizing healing and recovery. Warm liquids are absorbed efficiently, and the active compounds in lemon, turmeric, and ginger are delivered directly to where they're needed most. As your heart slows and your breathing deepens, this gentle blend supports circulation and protects your arteries, harnessing your body's natural rhythms for maximum benefit. Making the drink is simple. Begin by heating 1 cup of water until it's warm, but not boiling. Squeeze in half a lemon, capturing not just the juice, but the essence of its freshness. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of grated ginger, fresh if you have it, powdered if you don't. Stir well and add honey if you wish. Sip it slowly, about 30 minutes before bedtime, letting the warmth settle your mind and body. Of course, it's important to remember that no single drink can replace the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. There are no miracle cures, only habits, small, consistent choices that build up over weeks, months, and years. But science is clear. Compounds in turmeric, ginger, and lemon support heart health, reduce inflammation, and help maintain flexible, resilient arteries. When combined and taken regularly, this simple drink can become a powerful ally in your nightly routine. Imagine, night after night, helping your body heal while you sleep. Picture the gentle clearing of your arteries, the easy flow of blood, and the peace of knowing you're doing something good for your heart. Seniors across the globe have embraced this bedtime ritual, not as a replacement for medical care, but as a supplement, a way to nurture themselves gently and naturally in the quiet hours before sleep. Let's take a moment to reflect on why this matters. Heart disease doesn't discriminate. It's the leading cause of death for men and women alike, especially as we age. Our arteries, the lifelines of our bodies, deserve attention and care. By nurturing them, we nurture our longevity, our energy, our capacity to live fully and vibrantly. So tonight, as you wind down, consider making this warm, golden drink part of your bedtime routine. Let it be a gesture of self-care, a quiet celebration of your heart and all it does for you. With each sip, you're not just drinking a blend of lemon, turmeric, and ginger. You're investing in your health, your vitality, and your future. You may notice small changes at first. A lighter feeling in your chest, easier breathing, a deeper sleep. Over time, as these ingredients work their magic, you may find yourself with more energy, better circulation, and a renewed sense of well-being. The science is clear, and the tradition is ancient. Nature's remedies are there for us, waiting to be embraced. Will you try this drink tonight? Imagine the possibilities, not just for yourself, but for those you love. Share your experience, inspire others, and join the growing community of people who are taking heart health into their own hands, one simple drink at a time. And remember, every healthy habit counts. Every small change adds up. Your heart is worth caring for, tonight and every night.